Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Abdurrauf and you are watching my channel Mathematics with Abdurrauf. So let's start with the topic order of operations. Order of operations. So basically we have done the multiplication and the division. So now we are doing the order of operations. So what should be the order of operations? Means ki if we have operations like plus, negative, and divide, and multiplication, division, and multiplication. So what should be the first, and what should be the second, and the what the pattern should be, no? So let's start with some node, no? What we are doing basically this is when working out the answer to a calculation involving more than one operation. So if there are more than one operation, what should we do now? What should we do first, no? Multiplication, addition, or division? What should be now? It is important. It is important that you use the correct order of the operation. It is important that you use the correct order of operations. So basically, what I'm saying is this: okay, let's see the example, and you can understand the proper. It is the proper way. So in mathematics, yeah, there should be some example, and it will elaborate the concept. No? For example, we have 2 plus 3 into 4. So now what we will do in the first? So add, what we should then add or multiply. So that's the question. Now, addition or multiplication. So this concept now we are going to use. It will carry on with your whole life. Remember it. First, now first you what you will do is B means for a brackets. You will resolve the brackets. Then in the second, then P, or might be there are some O for order, or there some can be written E for exponent. These are all P for power. I'm writing power. Some O for order, E for exponent. So these three are same. Now here I ordered in a different sense, no? So don't carry on with like a addition or multiplication, like not here the order is a different thing. So basically what we will use the first we will use the brackets. If we have a brackets, some So first we resolve the brackets. Then we will do the power. Then ordering. These are all the same. Matlab, you will do the brackets. Then you will go to the powers or exponents or this. So then multiplication or a division. Uh, M for multiplication and D for division. It's also your choice, but I'm doing some confusion, but it will be cleared in last. I'm creating the confusion. Addition and subtraction. Oh, sorry. Addition or a subtraction. You can do which you want. No? First, if you want the subtraction, you can also do the subtraction. But if you don't like the subtraction first, though you can use the addition. So for the remembering this kind of stuff, for a bracket, B for a brackets and P for a power and M for a, then it's a multiplication and then it's addition. So if you want to remember it, the order of the operations, so B for a brackets, O for the order or a power, D for a division, M for mass, M for a multiplication, and now we have A for addition, then subtraction. Or there is other thing you can, if you like this, no? P for parenthesis, no? You can also call the brackets in the parenthesis, no? E for some exponent and M for a multiplication and D for division and A for addition and S. So it's your choice to pick which one. If you, I like this one, no? So let's pick this, no? So let's see the example now. So now we have example. So let's suppose we have 2 plus 3 into 4. So in our rule, what we have, say B for a bracket. If there are brackets, you will resolve the brackets first. If there are not brackets, you will do the order. Order, I mean the power. Power. BO. Now, if they are not order, you will divide division. No? M for multiplication, then A for addition, and S for subtraction. So let's see here. Here first, what we will do now. We have two operations. There's a multiplication, there's an addition. So in our rule, so if there are not a brackets or a powers and or a division, so we will do the multiplication first. So what we'll do here, 2 plus 3 into 4, it will become 12. So 2 plus 12, what will give 40. So let's see the next something different example, or so some a different order. So if you want to do the addition, so there will be a brackets first, no? That let me introduce it, no? So let's suppose we have example like this. 2 plus 3. So here are the brackets and then the multiplication. So what rule says, B for brackets, like, so resolve the brackets. 2 plus 3, it will give you a 5. Into 4, it will give you 20. So now here the 14 and here the 20. So it depends on how the equation or how the our written. No? So our question is, so what if they are in a fraction form? No? Let's see in a fraction form. No? Let's suppose some kind of written like this. No? Example, it's like this. If they are in a fraction form, no? 6 into 4 divided by 4 5 plus 3. So now what we will do the first is in this case the fraction line works in the same way as the brackets. So and now you will do the fraction line. No? So first you will resolve the fraction lines. But I'm saying it's like you will resolve the numerator or a denominator. So let's do the first numerator, then denominator. So 6 into 4, it will give you a 24. So we have a solution. And for 5 plus 3, it will give you 8. So in last, what we will get? 3. So similarly, you can also write it like this now, above question. Let's see. No. Let's see. No. You can also write it like this. Let me correct it. 6 into 4 division plus 3. So in our rule, B for a bracket first. So let's resolve the brackets. So 6 into 4 division. When we resolve the brackets, we will get 8. So now you can do the division first in our rule. If you want to remember it, or if I want to say the thing which you like the most, you can choose it in a division and a multiplication. So 6 into I would like to division. No, 4 divided by 8. So you will give 1 by 2. So now in a last you will get 3. And 2, 3 are 6s like this. Let's do the example. So another example. It's from the book. It's not from the me. 6.6 part E. 7 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 5. You should remember the B for a brackets, O for order. Order means it's like a power. So B, O, D for the division, M for the multiplication, A for the addition, and S for the subtraction. So let's do the solution. Now here are not the brackets. So what you will do, they are not the powers. So what you will do, the division is the first. So 4 divided by 2, and you will give the 2 minus 5. Now in our rule, we are saying do the addition first. So 7 plus 2, 9 minus 5, you will get the 5. 4 last. So in a part B of the question is saying 6 minus 2 to the power plus 5 into minus 3. So here the question, let's resolve it. No? Solution. So B for the brackets. No? So resolve the brackets first. No? In a brackets, there are 6 minus 2. There are the two numbers 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 will become 4. So for power 2 plus 5 into minus 3. So 4 is to 2, it's a 16. 5 into 3, it's a minus 15. So in last you will get just 1. 5 into 3, you will get the minus 15. So you should remember the rule which I wrote in previous videos. So when you multiply the different signs, you will get the negative. So let's work out with some more